Hello friends, welcome to Life Simplified and my name is Abhishek. Friends, in today's video I will share 5 tips with you which can help you regulate your life in a better manner and which will help you simplify your life, and also it will help you to initiate with spirituality if you want to progress on a spiritual path along with your normal day-to-day work. So let's get started. Number 1, you need to clear your space. What I mean to say is, wherever you are staying and you are working, especially your workplace, you need to declutter your space. And say suppose your work desk is messed up, you are not able to find things which should be in place. It also affects your thought process, and this I have experienced myself, and I always tend to keep my workplace clean and I always try to keep the things in place so that whenever I want to find something or I want to get my hand on something, I can get it easily. This saves my time and it also keeps my mind decluttered. Number 2, you can take a stroll or a walk in the evening or in the morning whenever you feel like doing so, and you can do it mindfully. It means whenever you are walking, you are not trying to think anything, you are not trying to do anything, you are just walking and you are mindful of whatever you are seeing on the way and you are trying to stay in the moment. So that is called mindful walking. You can try this for at least 20 to 15 minutes in a day and you can see how it changes your energy levels and your thought process. Number 3, you can meditate. And when I say meditate, it doesn't mean that whenever you will sit and you will try to meditate, you will get into this Zen mode in 2-3 minutes. No, this will not happen with you. Meditation for beginners is like sitting in an erect posture and observing the breath. And if you are not able to observe the breath, you just observe your thoughts, whatever thought or whatever picture is being formed by your mind. You observe that picture or thought, you just let it go. This is the simplest way to meditate. And once you will get into a habit of this, and you will try to do it every day for 10 minutes or even for 5 minutes every day, because consistency is really important here. So this will help you unwind and this will help you ease your mind. So whatever stress you have undergone throughout the day, you can just release that stress, or you can just be relaxed in that moment, and you just try to be in the moment whenever you are trying to observe your thoughts or whenever you are trying to observe your breath while meditating. So this can really help because it has worked for me. It might work for you too. Number 4, you can try writing. What I mean to say is you can try writing your thoughts on a paper every day. You can try journaling, especially when you are going to sleep. This often happens that whenever we are going to bed, we go to bed with a lot of thoughts in our mind, and those thoughts just keep coming in our mind and we are not able to sleep due to that bombardment of thoughts in our mind. So in this process, if you will just try to journal or write down everything that you are thinking before going to bed, it will help you just release those thoughts which are disturbing you or which you are constantly thinking about. Once you write those thoughts down, you're not taking them with you in bed, and that is how your mind is free of those thoughts, and then you tend to sleep easily because those thoughts will not keep coming and they will not haunt you during that time. And point number 5 is you can read something which will help you progress on the path. any material that you feel like reading, anything that inspires you, any person that inspires you. So read about that person, read that book which you think that can help you, and you can retain a lot of points in your mind while reading the book, and it can help you in the long run, and it will also provide you with some wisdom. Because the process of reading has helped me a lot, and it has helped me opening up my mind. I used to think in a very different manner earlier, but after reading certain books, my thought process has certainly changed, and I have started thinking in a very broad way with a very open mind. So reading can really help. The last point is the bonus point, and in this point I will tell you that try to get away from all the gadgets. If you are feeling that your mind is not in a right space, then you can take yourself into a natural place where you can see a lot of trees, and you can take a 1 or 2 day vacation. You can go somewhere, explore the nature, stay away from the social media especially, and this will really help you unwind your mind, and this can give you a kickstart to your spiritual path also. So that was all for today. If you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.